And still on the political scene, President of the People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, has declared that his team is not in campaign mode, but is being prepared for a general election whenever it is called. Dr. Phillips made the comments while touring several communities in St. Catherine on Saturday after he was asked about the reasons for his visit.
We are going around and seeing the situation in different communities, hearing the experiences of the people, hearing their view as to the possible solutions. So we are here today in Linstead. We have been up in Lloydersville, Yorton and other communities.
So far, he explained that corruption in the country and the lack of economic growth are some of the issues that residents need the government to urgently address.
The lack of economic growth is having a very, very hard impact on the majority of the people. That compounded with the problems of corruption that they feel is denying resources to the social services, such as the schools, who have inadequate supplies of books and furniture, is really causing a great sense of hardship among people.